and talk to me. I really wanna meet you, girl. I really wanna know your name. Oh yeah, baby. You look so sexy. You really turn me on. Blow my mind every time I see your face, girl. You look so sexy. You really turn me on. Blow my...
Hey kings and queens, welcome to the Royal Room. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube page. I am new on YouTube, kind of, so please like and subscribe. I need to hear from you guys in the comments. What are some topics you want to talk about? My brother was like, talk about family and stuff, but they are so boring, trust me. I will be doing some makeup tutorials. I'm thinking about doing some vlogging, maybe, so you guys could see a day in the life of moi. Don't judge me that my eyes are red. I have been up an entire 24, so like I am completely tired. BTW. I did poke myself in the eye, so there'll be lots of things going on my page. I'm gonna try to upload as much as possible. But please leave a comment and let me know what you guys want to talk about. So I've been wanting to, I guess, expand my YouTube page a little bit, because before I was just uploading some singing, some cover videos, and yeah, I mean, I stopped after a while because the quality of the phone that I have, because I don't have a camera, so it was the quality of the phone that I had, and it really sucked. BTW, do not judge me because there is luggage behind me. I just moved and we are still working things out here, so don't judge me at all. I will soon be fixing my background so that way you guys could have a beautiful, I guess, backdrop, if you want to call it that. I don't know, but yeah, don't judge me. I'm getting it together, okay? I'm still a newbie at this whole YouTube vlogging, blogging thing. So yeah, I'm gonna sign off. I'm not gonna make this an extra long video for no reason at all. Probably gonna edit after this and then I'm gonna go to sleep. You guys have a great one. Bye.